to Astro Auto Repairs. My name is Marquis.
Hold. Welcome, Astro. Welcome. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs.
Okay.
All right, there you go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. My name is Marquis.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Can you dig it? All right, here we go one more time.
All right, let's do it one more time.
All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. My name is Marquis. Can you dig it? Today, we're working on the 1999 Ford Expedition. We pulling the spark plug adapters from the front right.
There you go. There you go. We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
All right, guys and girls, check it out. Customer called us up. There seems to be two spark plug adapters in these two cylinders right here that he wants removed. So what we're going to do is be removing them. Let me get some gloves on and get the proper tools, and we're going to be taking them out. We'll be right back. All right, guys, the first thing you want to do is let's pull our spark plug wires out. Now, you want to try not to use any pliers or anything, because you can damage the boots on those. And then what's going to happen is going to cause a serious misfire. So get you a spare spark plug wire pullers right here. These things are great. They're insulated with rubber on each side. And what you want to do is go down, grab a wire. You want to twist it back and forth to get it loose from the spark plug, and then pull it up. Just like that. All right, and you want to pay attention to which cylinder you're taking out of. This one, I took it out the first one. I'm just leaning right over here to the front. And then we're going to go back here and take off number 2. Now, if you want, you can see the injector plug is kind of in the way. So just to be on the safe side, what we're going to do is disconnect that injector. This injector has 2 little clips on both sides. You squeeze the clips on the outside toward the top, pull the injector up, unplug it. Just like that. Pull the connector up, done. Now we can reach in there and grab that second spark plug. Boom. There we go. Alright, guys, now we should see a spark plug down in there. So let's get us a light. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see down there. Can you get the camera way over there and see down? You can see down into there. Yeah, okay. So now we got 2 spark plugs. There's a little oil down there too, guys. Check that out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get a tool to take out the spark plug. Matter of fact, let me get further up there. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, there's our spark plug right there. Alright, so you can see our spark plug way down in there. Alright, so let's get our spark plugs out. Alright, what I'm going to do here, okay, you can back up now. What I'm going to use here is, did I cut that mic on? Yeah. I got a 16mm deep 3/8 drive. Then you can also use a 5/8 or 5/8 spark plug socket. And what I'm going to use is, I got an 8.5-inch 3/8 drive extension. Baby, go down. Now I'm right on the spark plug. Get my 3/8 drive ratchet. Loosen that up. All right. There's one spark plug. Now let's see if we can get back there and reach that second one. Back here. Perfect. Let's get that. Okay. Oh, thanks, man. We might have to get some vice grip to hold this hood up. Marquis got it right now. All right, so let's get this spark plug out of there. Now, if you don't have a spark plug socket, what you can do is use a 3/8 hose, or you can use, what I'm going to use is a magnet. Reach down there, use a magnet, pick our spark plug up. There's one for the first cylinder. Then we're going to go over here and get the second cylinder. All right, we got our spark plugs out. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, what you're looking at right now is the insert inside one of the spark plugs. That thing is really close to that wall. Now there is a way of getting it out, but I would be messing up the threads. I get a easy out
Messing threads and what?
inside with a that's if it comes out. Mess up the threads inside the adapter.
I don't care nothing about it.
But the problem is, will it come out while I'm doing that? If not, then I'm really messed up. So first,
Well, try whatever you gotta try. If you mess it up, it ain't nothing I can do about it. There ain't a thing in the world I can do about it.
all right, we're gonna try to.
But this is my baby, and I gotta get it fixed. Been down too long.
We're going to try a socket size and get that up there. We might have to grind down a little socket and try that. Be right back.
Gotta get them cables
All right, guys. If you can see it right there, the insert is down into the spark plug tube, and the problem, the adapter. The problem is there is no room at all around from the wall at. So there's no way we're gonna get a socket up there at all. That sucks. All right, dang it, guys, what the heck we gonna do? All right, what about if we tried an easy out? The problem with the easy out is I get one shot at this, because I can either mess up the threads and then the spark plug will not go back in there for good, and then we're done. But let's get us an easy out and try it out. We'll be right back. Alright guys, check it out. Here's our easy out. The easy out was a little bit, I'm looking at it, and it's a little bit too long. So what we did, we cut the tip of it off, and hopefully this part will go in there and grab and turn that adapter out of there. Now let's get some adapters and sockets and all and try to get this thing to work. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, check this out. I have got me a piece of plastic here, dirty piece of plastic. Got our easy out. I got here a 3/8 half-inch drive shallow socket. Stick our easy out in there. And I got a piece of broken glove with a 3/8 hex socket with a 3/8 drive. And I got me a 6-inch extension. And carpenter's hammer. Alright, so let's put it down into the cylinder. Alright, the only problem here is trying to get back there and hit that on there. Okay, Marquise is gonna hold. Marquise, take your other hand and hold that to the side. Oh, never mind, cause I'm gonna pop your hand like crazy, man. All right, so
That guy here,
let's
Nah, we go to the rest of it was dry. The rest of it came out dry. You know what I'm saying?
all right, guys. I gotta try to get this.
They got it all day.
Hit this over here.
What the order?
Can you hold this one over to this side?
The ring,
All
they
right.
probably getting bad for
All right. Let's see if it grabbed enough.
I got to take a while to get the jack and put the whole new flowing all the way back through with it. Yeah, we got that.
It's a little tight, so it shows that it is grabbed some. Oh my goodness. Let me get up on the truck. Okay, let's try this again. Oh man, this is tight. All right, you know what? Let me get my longer ratchet so we get more of a leverage. Be right back. All right, guys, I got my swivel head 3/8 drive ratchet. Give me some more leverage on this. Still in. All right, let's see if we can.
You stab him in the middle or on the side?
inside.
In fact, let me get up there in the truck. Okay, let's see. I think it popped loose, guys. Hopefully, I think it popped loose. get our ratchet off of there. I hope. I think. Yes, it feels like it. It feels like it. I think. Yeah, it's backing up. Backing up. I hope so. It's kind of windy out here. All right. Oops. Let's get our magnet and pick that up. Hold on. Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right, let's reach down there and see if there it is, guys. Look at that. Adapter's right off of it. Came right out. All right, now what we're gonna do is put the spark plugs back in there. All right, so when we come back, we're gonna get those spark plugs in there. Be right back. All right, guys, what we got here, got about a 6-inch 3/8 hose. Definitely want to get you something like that. I'll stick the spark plug up there instead of dropping the spark plug down there and taking a chance and messing something up. That's what you do, is just turn it for a couple threads, make sure it's nice, not cross-threaded, pop it out. Let's get our next one. Now, the reason why you don't want to drop these spark plugs down in there, because you got the gap right there. And if you drop it down there and you close that gap, this thing's going to have a misfire. So that's why we do it this way. So we're going to lower this one down. Turn that. Great. Perfect. Next thing we're going to do, let's get our spark plugs, our 16mm deep 3/8 drive or 5/8 spark plug socket, and let's tighten those up. Also, what we're going to do, now we can sit here and let's plug that injector back up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, got my 16mm deep 3/8 drive. I'm going to go in there, tighten this back up. Now, putting these spark plugs in, do not over tighten them, because you're going into an aluminum head and you can strip them out. So what you do is just go till it stops, and just go a tad bit more. That is it. Do not over tighten these plugs. Let's go back to the second one. Tighten that one down till it stops. A little bit more. Perfect. Let's get our wires. Number one over here. Push it down till it clicks into place. And then get our other one. And we're going to snap that into place. There we go. Alright guys, that was perfect. We'll be right back.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back.
Hold on.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Astro Auto Repairs. As you can see that we just finished showing you how to pull spark plug adapters from a 1999 Ford Expedition from the front right side. As you can see, they probably beat it in a little bit, or etc. But it stripped the sides up, so we had to use our easy out and we had to cut it.
Go ahead, man. You doing good. You doing good.
If you have any comments or any questions, leave them in the comment box below. And if you have any questions, email us at tim@astroautorepairs.com. If we can't, this is Marquis from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can.
Yeah, you got it.